Alright, we're here. This is actually awesome. Christo was like, I think I've been here and it was small. Mate, I don't know what you call small, but that is not bloody small. It's wild. Yeah. Christo's favourite song playing. Alright, I see it. Just pumping. Good. A bit of a good spray off the side here. What a force in it, eh? Wild. Wow. Yeah, it's got some breeze. It's pumping, eh? Wow. This is my first monkey beetle. That was crazy. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. Be careful. That's wild. Yeah, I know. They're pretty windy roads with good views here. Christo's favourite song playing. Sax, sax, sax. Welcome to Indonesia. We are marching on a random day. For apparently, I don't know what reason. Women's Rights Day, is that what it is?
What?
Women's Rights Day?
I don't know, I don't have idea.
Okay, why are they in separate groups? Why do they not walk together in one big group? Welcome to Women Friendly Tourism Village. That's interesting. Okay, we're in the village of Les in the north of Bali, people. We're going to look at a waterfall. So it's about 1.7 k's return. Oh, it says land for lease for 30 years, that's nice. Had to pay 35 then, which includes parking apparently. Bit cheeky when you're already paying to go in, but yeah. So, double check. It's called Yeh Mempeh. That's the name of the fall, so it's low flow on that creek there, but hopefully gonna look decent. See how we go. Follow the yellow brick road, or in this case, no yellow bricks. The old concrete paves. Your name stuck in the bamboo. Bit of a journey. We just drove 2 hours from the last waterfall to get here, so we really went right around the island. We've got to get 2 hours to get back, so it's gonna be fun. Hopefully it's worth it. Fancy house in there. Really washed away. I guess I see how high the water can get. It's wild. We'll basically just follow the creek. We're gonna get there. Nice bamboo. This is one of the strongest, sturdiest bamboo railings I've seen constructed. Look at this accommodation here. Path going down to the creek down there. I don't know what that is, but that path. Like a lot of little cascades, but it's pretty flat. It's just really just a creek. They just ran away and just saw 3 monkeys literally on the ground. That is wild. Let's see if we can find them. Don't get nervous, it could be anywhere. I haven't had any encounters with them in the south, but just creeping up. I think they've all gone. I think I scared them. These monkeys are wild. Look, there's some on the tree here. And the bamboo running across. I don't know if you can see it. 3 of them making the escape from me. Quite scared of me, eh? That's crazy. They're literally everywhere over here. This is wild. They just run up the hill. That is crazy. They're everywhere. I can't even point them out properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally a swarm of them. That is wild. Air Terjun, Yeh Mempeh. Alright, we've got a sheep crossing, it looks like. Oh, holy hell. There might be a hidden waterfall in there. Kind of is, it's dry as. What a shame. Look at the size of that drop. That would have been a sick waterfall. God damn it. And Waterfall's not the other one, so don't panic, but this is a bonus. And how the hell is that? The water must be seeping through underneath and not going its original route over the top, which is bizarre. But that is a nice looking rock face. What a damn shame. I don't know what's going on with this water and how it goes through it, but it has. It's punched a hole through over time, I guess. Onwards we go. Like another dry trib. It's coming off the same rock face, it'd be hectic. I'm not going to clamber up that just to look at the dry rock face, it's too far up, but it's pretty cool. It definitely seems the north is a little bit less flow than, I don't know, than the south a little bit, but anyway, still interesting, we'll see how we go. Sort of look good. Path is well maintained at least here, so. Welcome to Waterfall, best tourism village 2024. Women-friendly village. Let's do that again. Women-friendly tourism village by Indonesian Ministry of Tourism. Can't even speak. I don't know what makes it women-friendly. That's for sure. They're nice to women. Shouldn't they be nice to women everywhere? Remembering plastic. Don't throw plastic, basically. Okay. I don't think there's a cascade there. It sounds like it could be. We'll pop it in and have a look. Now I'm going to be on monkey patrol. Sorry, they're going to jump down and jump on my face. No, she's pretty flat still. Okay. Follow the path. It said welcome to Waterfall. We're not even there yet. Bit premature sign. Alright, I see it. Just pumping. It's good. It's large, so I can only see a portion of it, but it's definitely going to be big. Alright, we're here. This is actually awesome. Christo was like, I think I've been here and it was small. Mate, I don't know what you call small, but that is not bloody small. Yeah. Sick. Wow. That's sick. That's actually amazing. Loving it. Actually a bit of a good spray off the side here. Forcing it, eh? Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's got some breeze, it's pumping, eh? Holy hell. It's amazing. Boy. Always good look for it. Look at the something in the rocks. Lost treasure. Right, heading back out. That was short and sweet. I recommend that one. It was just easy bang for buck, good size, and there's no tourists. Just a couple of local kids. I saw one Korean couple or something. They were leaving. So yeah, it's far from everywhere else. That's why. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the journey. It's Waterfall 15 for day 3, technically 2.5. So yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe for me if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all the new misadventures. I'll catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.